Hey guys, we are on the bench here with the Edge Revolver performance chip for the 7.3 diesel Power Stroke engines. We're gonna do a quick unboxing on this and give you a rundown of what the features are and how it works. So let's just jump right into it. All right, so the first thing we've got here is one of the wiring harnesses with the little adjuster switch in that bag, some zip ties, and an alcohol pad in there to help apply it. Here's the actual performance chip itself. And then of course, we've got a couple different things as far as paperwork is concerned. There's the user manual, some warnings, and some Edge stickers. So let's kind of break down what we've got here. So the main brains of the operation are gonna be in this little bag. So as you can see, that little guy right there is what's gonna do all the hard work for your truck and start turning out the gains. Then the zip ties and stuff are pretty straightforward. That's just gonna be to tie up the wiring as you go and get it nice and neat and tidy. Then in here, let's get the actual harness and adjuster out so you guys can take a look at that. Right there is the adjuster itself. That is the wiring harness with the connectors already attached to plug into the chip. And this right here is the knob and the number plate that goes over the adjuster, so that way you can actually see which setting you're putting it on. So in total, that's what you have with the kit right there. Let's kind of talk about the details of what this is really going to do for your truck. So Edge designed the Revolver to work with the 7.3 motor here specifically, and you can get one styled to your specific box code. So that way all you have to do is plug this into your truck, get it installed, and set the adjuster and start making the power that you want. Now, there are a couple different levels of power involved, and the tunes are all pre-programmed into that chip. So once you have this plugged in, there isn't any additional steps you need to take to run a computer to this or anything like that. It's very straightforward, and you'll simply just adjust it with the dial. So Edge has the Revolver chip set up with the tunes pre-programmed into it, and then obviously you have levels 1 through 6 that you can select to dial it in for whatever your application is or how much power you need at that time. With that being said, at the max settings, you can typically see up to 140 horsepower gain as well as 250 pound-feet of torque, which is a significant boost in power that is going to help a lot when you need it. But because it is adjustable, it's nice that they give you the ability to dial that back a little bit depending on whether you're towing or hauling with the truck versus driving it on a day-to-day basis. You can really get those power settings lined up to what you need without having to risk breaking the truck or putting too much power in at once. So overall, the Revolver kit is a pretty quick and simple install that makes a lot of power for not a whole lot of hurt on your wallet, and that's gonna make it a great option for most 7.3 owners. If you wanna pick one of these systems up for your truck, you can head down the description below, click that link, it'll shoot you over to our site, and we will see you guys next time.